Welcome back, everybody. In this video we're going to be talking about the angle criterion to determine similarity, also known as the AA criterion. Well, the AA criterion states that if you have two pairs of angles that are identical in two triangles, then that is enough to determine that the two triangles are at least similar, if not congruent. So these examples we just need to determine, are two of the three angles equivalent to each other in the two given triangles. So here we have two triangles, ABC, DEF, and we're determining whether they are similar or not. Well, to do that we need to find the missing angles. The missing angles here would be 60 and 45. And as you can see, they have only one angle in common, the 90 degrees, but not two. You need at least two for the AA criterion to work. So these two are not similar. Let's look at another one here. ABC and DEC. They share a common angle here. These two are 60 degrees. And 60, we know 72 degrees up here. And then let's say we take 180 minus 60 minus 72. Our missing angle would be 48 degrees. Alright, and it's not showing here, but we're also pointing out that these two lines here are parallel. And then if we have two parallel lines, then we have alternate interior angles, meaning this is 48 and this also down here is also 72. So all three, at least two of the angles are the same, and now we know that all three of them are, therefore the two triangles are similar. Alright, now here we have several examples in a row here, three examples each with the set of triangles, and we're just going to determine whether they are similar or not similar. And notice that right away, example 2 here, looking at the triangles, they have no angles in common. 29, 47, 91, 76, nothing matches up. So we'll know right away this set is not similar. But the others two are a little bit, we have to dig a little bit deeper. Notice they have this 62 degrees in common, and the third example down here, they have the 45 degrees in common. Alright, so we got to figure out the missing angle for each of those. So 80 and 62, if we take 180 minus 80 minus 62, our missing angle will be 38. And if you notice, 38 and 38, we have two pairs of angles that are congruent. Therefore, by the angle criterion, these two would definitely be similar. Let's go down and check the third example, where the triangle has angle measure of 100 and 45 and 25 and 45. Let's do 180 minus 100 minus 45 to find the missing angle. On that, for triangle 1, the missing angle measure is 35 degrees. And since we don't see a 35 here or here, there's no way that the third angle here could be 35, otherwise it wouldn't be a triangle. Therefore, the last example, triangle 1, triangle 2, those are not similar. Because remember, you need two angles to be equivalent. Two angles to be equivalent. Let's look at this example here. There is enough information to conclude the two triangles are blank if x equals 60. So let's just put a 60 here. Let's find this missing angle, 180 minus 58 minus 60 for the first triangle. That means this missing angle measure is 62. And doesn't look like we're going to be similar here. Let's figure out that missing angle on the second triangle just to be safe. Minus 50, minus 58. 180 minus 50 minus 58 gives us 72. So yep. No, looks like they only have one angle in common, but the AA criterion says you need two. So these are not similar. These are not similar. All right, our last one, triangle PQR has two known interior angles of 34 and 80 degrees. Triangle RST has two known interior angles of 24 and 90 degrees. So do we have enough information to know here? Let's figure out 34 and 80 in this unknown angle measure. We're going to take 180 minus 80 minus 34. That gives us 66. And I don't see 66 in the other set. Looking here, 24, 90, figure out that missing angle just to be safe. 180 minus 90 minus 24, 66. Yep, they share 66, but notice of this two sets here, there's only one angle in common. It appears to be the 66 degree angle. So we can say with certainty that they are not similar, because only one angle, not two angle, is the same between both triangles. Well, I hope this video helped clarify how the AA criterion works and these examples made sense. Thank you for watching.